What have I told you about coming over unannounced?
All right, guys, I got caught. I tried to sneak my way into this house, but Catherine got me. Welcome back to my channel. We are here in Long Island. Welcome, Catherine.
Welcome to Long Island. We are in Sands Point, Long Island, and we are going to see this incredible home that we call Round Table Manor. So we are at Round Table Manor,
yes,
which is one of the properties in our Masterpiece Collection program, which is our luxury portfolio at Gale Sotheby's International Realty. So it's extra special.
We have a double height foyer and the artwork to match.
This balances the space incredibly, and then you needed something so impressive to hang out underneath it, and they've done just an incredible job.
Is this a Banksy?
Maybe it is. Yes, this is a Banksy. It does not come with the house, unfortunately.
We could work something out for you.
Maybe. One of many incredible pieces in the house. Coming off of this incredible foyer, you're welcomed into the coziest of living rooms with views of the water that you will notice from literally every room on the first floor of this house. It's completely southern facing, so you get sun from the very morning to the very evening.
Then what they did about this room, which a lot of people don't really think of, to take advantage of the view that's out this window, they kept all of the furniture really, really low.
Yep. Super low profile. It doesn't block any of the natural light, any of the water view. It really brings the outdoors in.
And then not only do you have the more traditional kind of seating area here, but if you want to have like a little cocktail party, you have this seating area here as well, so you can sit even closer to the view.
Absolutely, and all of these, every single room on this floor has direct access outside, so you can see this double set of doors right out to the incredible living area out there.
We are in the bar area. So this is right off of the living room.
Yes.
And they made this a den kind of bar area, right?
Absolutely.
And it leads, again, like you said, all of the rooms lead off into the outdoor space.
So in the warmer months, this room really becomes sort of an indoor-outdoor space. They open these incredible doors. It leads right out into this next seating area, and then right out into the really great outdoors with the incredible pool, the incredible views of Manhasset Bay that just get sort of more beautiful as the year progresses and the light changes.
What part of Long Island is this specifically?
So we are on the North Shore of Long Island, which is also referred to as the Gold Coast.
Is it really?
It is. And sort of the F. Scott Fitzgerald, Great Gatsby-ish, roaring 20s.
We are in the bar.
Do you want to pour us a drink? So
let's get that 20s roaring right now. We are in the 20s.
We are in the 20s.
We're in the 2020s.
So if you remember The Great Gatsby,
yep,
everyone has read The Great Gatsby. You had to in high school, right?
Yep, absolutely.
F. Scott Fitzgerald named two fictional towns, West Egg and East Egg. Well, West Egg is actually Kings Point.
Okay.
And East Egg is actually Sands Point. So we are in East Egg right now.
So we're like in the book.
So as I mentioned, this house was built in 1926. And it was built for an American artist and painter named Nyasia McMean. Now, Nyasia was crazy, and she was awesome, and she was a party animal, and she was part of something called the Algonquin Round Table. So the Algonquin Round Table was made up of this incredible group of people, and they were famous for their parties. And Nyasia was famous for hosting the parties in this very house. That's really why she had it built as a party house in 1926. And she entertained people like F. Scott Fitzgerald and Bing Crosby and the Groucho brothers and just an incredible group of people all in this very house. So it's pretty fitting that they actually have a bar room in here, because I'm sure they had one back then too.
Ooh, they've got the good stuff. Oh, how about this one?
It's literally 1:30.
So is that a no?
No, that's a yes.
Okay, good. Just off the foyer, we have the formal dining room.
Yes, and what I love about having this room right off the foyer is that as soon as you open the front door, you're given this incredible water view.
Right.
From the moment you open the front door, right to Manhasset Bay.
I'm pretty sure this is like the Pepsi sign or something, right?
It's gotta be. It's the Pepsi logo, absolutely.
And a fun fact, I drank nothing but Pepsi growing up as a kid. In my 8th grade yearbook, all of my friends signed, "Dear Pepsi, hope you have a great year in high school." My nickname was Pepsi, so
this belongs to you.
If this is missing at the end of the day, then you know I took it. You know I took it.
So right off the formal dining room is this immaculate kitchen. We have a full suite of Thermador appliances, including this incredibly impressive 6-burner stove. And the hood that I've actually never seen have mosaic, this beautiful sort of linear mosaic tile all around the kitchen. We have quartz countertops, a double Bosch dishwasher, and every other bell and whistle that you can think of. And with this incredible view, I've never wanted to wash dishes so badly in my life.
I'll take the rest of my cheesecake into this second dining area.
Let's call this the informal dining room.
You have your other dining room where you have formal parties, and then you have this one for, you know, daily kind of eating.
Yes, this incredible little eating space really makes it an eat-in kitchen, which you're clearly taking full advantage of.
Yeah, this is very little.
So from here, it sort of leads into this awesome living, hangout, den area. They've put a TV here, 2 incredible, again, pieces of artwork that if I had a bigger house, I may also take off the walls. But I just love this area. I feel like if I lived here, you lived here, this is where we'd hang out. This is where we'd spend all of our time. So now we are in the lower level.
You get to be away from the rest of the family, but you could have some friends over, you could play some pool.
Do you want to play pool?
I mean, I'm not any good, but I'm sure I could beat you.
Whoa, rack them up.
Oh, let's do it then.
Let's go.
I don't even think you know what you're doing.
You're right, I don't.
We're gonna try, and trying is half the battle.
It is. Yay.
This is for the win. I'm gonna edit that out so I look good and you look terrible, but I'm gonna stick to my strengths. I'm not that good at pool. I'm a good host. Pool, not so much.
I'm sure you're a good friend.
Yeah.
You're a good dresser.
Yeah.
This?
Keep going with the compliments. I like that.
This not so much.
So like Catherine said, all of the rooms down here lead off to this beautiful outdoor space. We've got a pool out here, and Catherine, we have this beautiful pergola.
It is a beautiful pergola, and even in arguably the least attractive month of the year, it's still stunning to me. And just imagine when things do start to bloom, this entire extended pergola is wisteria.
I can imagine having some twinkle lights, having a beautiful tablescape here. Actually, I'll take a margarita pizza.
Ooh, okay. Oh, now you're talking.
Yeah, margarita pizza, some rosé, and more junior cheesecake.
So from back here, you really get to see the expansiveness of this house, all 5,200 square feet.
The pool is covered now, or else Catherine would have jumped in it, I'm sure.
I promise it's nice under there.
Yeah, it's a nice pool. To have a pool in New York, you can't beat that.
We're on almost 3 acres.
Wow.
I think it's about 2.7 acres total. And so you're really taking advantage of every single square inch of it.
So we're on the 2nd floor now.
Yes.
And all of the 4 bedrooms are up here. But if you buy this house, you're gonna get the biggest one.
The principal room will be yours.
Let's go.
So this really is the epitome of a principal bedroom. As you mentioned, we have a seating area and we have the sleeping area. One of the incredible features of this house is this fireplace. It is original to the 1926 home. It is limestone. It is not going anywhere. It probably weighs 1,000 pounds. And I love what they've done with making it modern by adding the tile, yet keeping this original, exquisite limestone that's just in incredible condition. What principal room would be complete without the most insane, not walk-in closet, but a run-in closet? You have to come look.
This is for 2 people for sure, but if you wanted it to just be for yourself, you could. You've got your shoes over here. You could put your fancy dresses over here. You've got a beautiful floor to ceiling mirror, 2 of them actually. Where are you?
I'm admiring myself.
Yes, you've got 2 floor to ceiling mirrors. You could even put so much more in here. I think there's space that could definitely be utilized if you have even more. This is how big this room is. We were on the bedroom side, now we're in the living section.
The living section, the lounging section, the watching TV section.
And then what about this view? Is this view ever going to be obstructed?
Oh my gosh, no, it's not. So the current owner of this property actually purchased the property that goes down the hill. The view will never be obstructed. No one will ever be able to build there. No one can ever plant trees that are taller than you want. So we have full control over an incredible view forever and ever. So now we are in the principal bath, which is covered in the most stunning rose marble. We have a humongous shower that's also a steam shower. And around the corner, the all-important water closet that houses a Toto toilet. So now we're at the first of the additional 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. As all the bedrooms have, this one has the incredible water view. But what I think I most love about this is how it's decorated and the coziness. We have really, really beautiful molding. I don't know if I've ever seen wallpaper on a ceiling before, but this actually works. It seems to be a map of some sort, but it just adds to the coziness. And this bedroom is actually connected to the 2nd bedroom. And now we're in this incredible bath that's shared by these 2 bedrooms, completely redone with beautiful stone floor, marble double vanity, and tucked back here is the cutest little soaking tub I've ever seen. We also have a shower, beautiful walk-in shower over here, and right through this way is the 2nd of the 3 bedrooms. So now into the connecting bedroom. Again, I can't say it enough, the water views are impeccable. This one features an oversized closet, actually 2 oversized closets. And this room has kept the wood floors absolutely immaculate. Because it's on the corner, you get south and you get direct east. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna head into the final bedroom.
Oh, so nice of you to finally show up.
Make yourself comfortable.
I already have.
Clearly.
If this was my house, this would definitely be my room. You have the 2 exposures here again. And I think it's probably because the way she decorated it. It's nice and cozy, and this bedroom has its own bathroom as well. And it's the most unique bathroom in the house. I would just be spinning around to the view, and then back to the TV, and then back to the view, and then back to the TV. That's kind of what my whole day would consist of.
So before we head upstairs to show you what's waiting for us up there, I want to point out this sort of bonus room that can definitely be used as a home office, homeschooling, an extra den, any sort of extra space that you might need. Why did I tell you?
Yeah.
All right, I'm a runner. Didn't I tell you that?
So we've got a gym, an in-home gym. You don't have to go outside. This is perfect. If you want to get that heart rate up a little bit, you know, burn some of those New Year's calories. I think she is a perfect demonstration of, if you buy this house, how convenient it would be for you. Are you doing well? Are you doing okay?
This is our first video.
Yeah.
And our last.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on this tour, and thank you to Catherine for showing me around.
It was so much fun.
If they want to learn any more information, where do they find?
So go to themasterpiececollection.com. You will be able to learn even more about this house and our collection of other incredible properties.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to see you again.
Wait. I haven't finished. I want to see more house. Catherine!
And then we come over to this incredible jetted tub where we find you.
I'm starting my bubble bath. Where's the bubble champagne I asked you to bring me? No?